Smile from Sparkly Belly. Many dancers tell me that they want to hide their upper arms. I totally understand some people are conscious about their upper arms, but wearing a black long sleeve shirt for every dance performance gets boring. Plus, arms are some of the most important part of dance movements, so it's a shame to hide them completely. So in this video, I'll share with you 6 ways to cover up your upper arms for your dance performance. And I focused on beautiful ways of covering up your upper arms, so you're not limited to boring options. And even if you don't necessarily want to cover up your upper arms, you'll want to try. Let's get started. The first one is a hip scarf instant shrug. This is a super easy solution. Simply take a large hip scarf, wrap it around your shoulders, and tie the ends at the back. It covers your upper arms and back, and if your hip scarf has fringe, it makes a really cute shrug. Next is ruffle sleeves, another easy solution. Simply take a strip of fabric that's about twice longer than the length of your shoulder straps and attach it to your shoulder strap. You can make it as long or short as you like, and it offers nice coverage over your shoulder and upper arm, but since the ruffle has light feel to it, it doesn't look heavy. It gives movements to your costume as well. Next one is what I call Princess Jasmine sleeves. These whimsical sleeves are easy to make. Make a tube out of lightweight fabric, gather the ends, and attach them to your bra top. You can make them as wide as you like, and these definitely earn you design points. Find the detailed tutorial in the description. The next one is a bolero top or crop top with sleeves. I showed you how to make this top in my last video, and it's pretty simple to make. The Gawazi coat inspired sleeves are super cute, and this is very comfortable. Again, find the detailed tutorial in the description. Drape sleeves. Another sleeve idea, but this one with curls looks super cute. Add the same curly ruffles to other parts of your costume for a cohesive look. And finally, lace shrug. Shrugs are often worn to cover up arms, but they can look heavy and weigh down your overall appearance. So try making it out of lace. Just like the curly ruffle sleeves, when you make something out of lace, it looks lighter, feminine, and classy. Hope you found these tips useful, and I've summarized all these tips in a handy cheat sheet. You can download it for free from my blog and keep it as a quick reference. And I hope you can enjoy thinking about ways to hide your upper arms now. It doesn't have to be a compromise. It can be your unique, purposeful design option. And if you like these tips, share them with your dance sisters as your next costuming idea. They'll appreciate you sharing the information. Oh, and if you're curious about the dress I was wearing with the curly drape sleeves and shrug, I actually teach how to make it. Find the link in the description. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!